He's going mad. They made him to begin to smoke so many things.
Yes, sir.
He smoked.
My mom sent us here from Canada because of his case.
Your mom sent you from where?
Canada because of his case.
Canada because of his case. You know them.
But we stop it because of this sickness.
He will not travel everywhere. I see him. He's under manipulation. And because of that, he smoked so many things. And now he's going mad. The enemy has done this. But the yoke is broken. Amen. The yoke is broken today. Amen. The yoke is broken.
Amen.
Oh, how many times have you people come here?
This the second time.
Second time. A guy.